Hi, I'm Paul Solka, IB Masters Learning Center and IBMasters.com, and today we're going to look at the 17th question from Digital SAT Test 2, Module 2B. Number 17 reads, function f is defined by f of x equals 7x minus 84. What is the x-intercept of the graph? Y equals f of x in the xy plane. So what do you need to know? You need to know that the x-intercept is where the line meets the x-axis. As long as you know that, it's a very simple solution. If you're in Desmos and you put the equation in there, you actually might be puzzled because there's no line there. And there should be a line. If you see this red orb or any color orb on the left and it's filled in, if there's no line, it's going to be a triangle with an exclamation point. So there's a line somewhere. If you notice, the y-intercept is negative 84. So the line's going to be down there. Regardless, if you plug a line in and you don't see it, just zoom out. 1. Oh, there's a line. 2. Oh, here's your x-intercept. If you just roll over it, you see that it's 12. You mark your answer and you move on. Alternatively, what could you do? Well, you could solve it by hand. I think Desmos is a super easy solution here, so you might as well do that. But the x-intercept is where y equals 0. Another way to say y is to say f of x. So if I say 0 equals 7x minus 84, then I've got it. Now, I could also plug this into Desmos without doing any work. In order to plug it into Desmos, instead of 0, I've got to put what's called the tilde, and then I hit 7, and instead of x, I put x1 minus 84. So 0 tilde 7x1 minus 84. So this is another way to solve it. 0 tilde, you hit shift, and in the upper left of your keyboard below the escape button and above the tab, you see the tilde. Whoops, I must have hit it twice. Or you go down below in the Desmos keyboard and click on ABC, and then it's to the bottom right. So anyway, we have 7x, and then if you populate 1 right after the x, it'll automatically write it as a subscript, minus 84, and then boom, it gives you your answer, x1 equals 12. So once again, you know, your answer, your x is 12, and again, your y is 0. Okay, last way you could also do this is you could actually do it algebraically. If I just add 84 to both sides, these would cancel, and I have 84 equals 7x, and then divide both sides by 7, and I get that my x equals 12. So either way, x is positive 12, and D is your answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has difficulty, just is intimidated by functions, doesn't know that x-intercept is where y equals 0. And notice the answer choices. You know that y has to be 0, so plug it in. If there's any question you'd like to answer from any official PSAT or SAT or ECT, leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot you one. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hit that bell button, and I will see you soon. By the way, the short videos, if you want to see the short videos each day, then you could go to YouTube, IB Masters Learning Center, find the playlist, go to Test 2 Module 2B, the harder set of math questions. You'll see the short videos just underneath these longer videos. Have a great day.